My name's Blaise Bresco, and I'm with Swenson Safeget Structural Engineering. We're the structural engineer of record for the Neighborhood House project. We are responsible for the structural design of the building, so the roof, the walls, columns, foundations, everything that it's built of. Two elements that really spoke to the green aspect of the building structurally was definitely the choice to expose as much as possible the structural elements. When we do that, we're saving on finished materials like a sheetrock that you would typically apply to the ceiling and or paint. It's very exciting knowing that you're about to design is going to be part of the aesthetics, not just covered up. The beams that were used on this project are called glulam beams. And the process to make a glulam beam is to take smaller pieces of wood and glue them together. It's not very practical to cut down a tree to get us a beam that's maybe this big. So we're using material that's small, gluing it together, and we can put together any size beam we want. Some of the unique wood framing materials that we used were the SIPS panels, structural insulated panels. They not only make up the roof structure, but they are the insulation value that we get out of the roof is self-contained within the material. The structural wood panels literally sandwich the insulation. This product is quite a bit more efficient than the insulation that we would typically use in the roof structure, which is fiberglass batt units. And we would typically use about the same amount of space for filling the cavity with batt insulation, and in that same amount of space, we will achieve 3 to 6 times more insulation efficiency out of the product. When you look at the ceiling right now, what you see is, in fact, the bottom of these SIPS panels, and it's sitting directly over structural engineered glulam beams. And typically in most buildings we use and that we design, we would apply a sealing membrane directly underneath the structure to hide the mechanical materials, to have a more finished look. So already, if you believe that the look of the structure is attractive, then you're going to have the opportunity to not only get the beauty of what you see, but also save on applying other finishes.